Let me guess. You want to wake up early. You've tried to wake up early. And every time it ends the same way. Snooze, snooze, snooze. You open your eyes at 10 a.m. feeling tired, guilty, and already behind. Yeah, I've been there too. For years. I told myself I wasn't a morning person, that I just needed one more hour every time the alarm went off. But here's the truth. Waking up early is not just about discipline. It's about designing your mornings in a way that pulls you out of bed. Not forces you, pulls you. And that's where the miracle morning comes in. Not the version you see on TikTok where someone drinks matcha at 4:45 a.m. and meditates for an hour in a candlelit room. No, I'm talking about the real, doable, actually works for real humans kind of morning. Let's break it down. Waking up early starts the night before. I know that's boring advice, but hear me out. Most people mess up their mornings by ruining their nights. Let me ask you, what's the last thing you do before bed? If it's scrolling your phone until your eyes burn, I promise you, that's your problem. Here's a simple trick. Set a shutdown time. For me, it's 10:30 p.m. That's when everything turns off. No YouTube, no scrolling, no last-minute emails. It's like giving your brain permission to rest. And here's the twist. I don't go to bed because I'm tired. I go to bed because tomorrow deserves a great version of me. Okay, now the fun part. The alarm rings. What do most people do? They groan, they roll over, they bargain with themselves. Just 5 more minutes. But here's the rule I made for myself, and maybe it'll work for you too. The moment my alarm rings, my body stands up before my brain has time to argue. I don't think. I don't scroll. I just stand. The first 10 seconds are the hardest. But once you're up, your body slowly takes over. If you struggle with this, put your alarm across the room. Even better, put a glass of cold water next to it. So when you get up, you drink it. It wakes your body and jumpstarts your metabolism. Win-win. Now comes the part that changed everything for me, having something to look forward to in the morning. Not work, not school, not deadlines, but something that belongs just to you. This is the heart of the miracle morning. It's not about waking up early just to be productive. It's about starting your day with peace, purpose, and power. You only need 30 minutes. Here's how mine goes. Step 1, silence, 2 to 3 minutes. I sit quietly, not meditation, just silence. I let the world catch up to me. I listen to the sounds, birds, the wind, even the fridge humming. No phone, no talking, just being alive and aware. It's like hitting a reset button before the chaos begins. Step 2, affirmations, 2 to 3 minutes. I know this sounds cheesy. I used to roll my eyes too, but repeating certain phrases out loud actually trains your brain. Here's one I say a lot. I am becoming the kind of person who keeps promises to myself. That one hit hard. I speak as if I'm already the person I want to be. Because if you speak it enough, you start acting like it's true. Step 3, visualization. This part is simple. I close my eyes and imagine my day, but the best version of it. Not just going to work. I picture myself walking in with confidence. Not just studying. I picture myself focused, enjoying the process, even finishing early. Visualization is like a mental rehearsal, and the brain loves familiarity. When it sees the moment later, it's already ready. Step 4, movement, 5 to 10 minutes. You don't need a full gym session, just stretch. Do 20 jumping jacks, a bit of yoga, or take a quick walk. Movement tells your brain, we're awake now, let's go. Even lazy days feel different when you've moved your body early. Step 5, learning, 10 minutes. This is my favorite. I read something, not news, not social media, but something that feeds my brain. A book, a podcast, even a YouTube video with substance. It's like reminding myself, before I serve the world, I pour something into myself first. By now, it's probably been 30 to 45 minutes. But here's the crazy thing. You've already accomplished more than most people do by 9 a.m. You've grounded your mind, moved your body, learned something, visualized your success. You feel awake. Not just physically, but mentally and emotionally. Now, let me tell you something real. You don't have to wake up at 5 a.m. to have a miracle morning. Maybe your day starts at 9. Great, wake up at 7:30. Maybe you work night shifts. That's okay too. It's not about the hour you wake up. It's about how you wake up. Your morning is the launch pad, and the quality of that launch decides the flight of your whole day. And I know it's hard to change. It's hard to be consistent. Some days you'll fall back. Some days you'll sleep in. That's normal. But every day you show up, even just a little, is a day your future self says, Thank you. Let's talk about those mornings. You know the ones when it's dark, rainy, cold, and every cell in your body says, go back to bed. Yeah, even with a miracle morning, those days still come. So here's something that helped me. Instead of focusing on how tired I feel, I focus on what kind of person I'm becoming. You're not just waking up early, you're building self-respect. You're showing your brain that you keep your word. And trust me, when you build that identity, everything else gets easier. Discipline doesn't feel like punishment anymore. It starts feeling like freedom. Now, some of you might be thinking, but I'm just not a morning person. And that's fair. You don't have to love mornings right away. You just have to make them meaningful enough to be worth it. You know what's worse than waking up early? Waking up late and feeling rushed, stressed, and already behind. You ever had that feeling? You overslept. You skipped breakfast. Your brain's still foggy. You forget your keys. You're already annoyed, and it's only 8:30 a.m. That kind of chaos steals energy from your whole day. But when you wake up early, even 30 minutes earlier than usual, you buy yourself peace. You take control before the world demands anything from you. Also, here's something most people forget. Mornings can be beautiful. When was the last time you watched the sunrise? Or sat in silence with a warm drink while the world was still quiet? There's something almost magical about those moments. And when you build a habit of waking up early, you get to experience them again and again. It's like giving yourself a little secret advantage. If you're wondering how to actually stick with this, here are 3 powerful tips. 1. Track your streak. Print out a simple calendar and mark an X every time you wake up early and do your routine, even if it's just a part of it. The goal is to never break the chain. 2. Start small. Don't go from waking up at 10 a.m. to 5 a.m. overnight. That's a recipe for failure. Start by waking up just 20 minutes earlier than usual. Build from there. 3. Have a non-negotiable. Pick one tiny thing you'll do every morning no matter what, even if you're tired, even if you're late. Maybe it's drinking water. Maybe it's writing one sentence in a journal. That one action keeps your momentum alive. Now let's be honest. Your phone is probably the biggest enemy here. If you sleep with it next to your face, you've already lost the battle. Because the second you wake up, it's begging you to scroll. And the moment you start scrolling, boom, 30 minutes gone, energy drained. So here's what I do. I charge my phone across the room. That way, when the alarm rings, I have to physically get up. And once I'm standing, I drink water, splash my face, and stay up. If you want to take it even further, buy a cheap alarm clock. Use your phone only after your miracle morning is done. Protect your mornings like they're sacred. Because they are. You know what's crazy? When I started doing this, I thought it was just about being productive. But something unexpected happened. I started feeling proud of myself. Not because I finished some to-do list, but because I showed up. I proved to myself that I could take control of my day on my terms, and that feeling carried into everything. Work became easier. I was more focused, less reactive. Even my relationships improved because I wasn't starting every day stressed out and tired. Waking up early didn't just change my schedule, it changed me. So if you're sitting there thinking, I've tried before and I always give up, I get it. I've failed at this more times than I can count. But maybe this time, don't aim for perfection. Just aim for progress. Even waking up early 3 days a week is better than none. Even doing 5 minutes of a morning routine is better than 0. Even 1 glass of water is a win. Stop trying to be a morning person. Start trying to be the kind of person who takes care of themselves first. And slowly, day by day, you'll become someone you're proud to wake up as. So if no one's told you this yet, you're not lazy. You're not weak. You're not broken. You just need a morning that actually works for you. Something simple, something quiet, something real. That's your miracle morning. And the best part, you can start tomorrow. I'll be waking up too. We've got this.